Hello and welcome to Stocks Advisor channel. Here at our channel we are looking for interesting buy opportunities for US-based stocks. Today we'll talk about DraftKings Incorporated, DKNG, traded at NASDAQ. Well, it's an interesting stock because after showing a nice huge uptrend wave that started actually in April and ended somewhere in mid of June, the stock has entered to the volatility region, where we can see actually a lot of actions going, and the question is what would be next for this stock. For now you can clearly see that moving averages 20 and 50, which are the green and blue lines here, by the way depicted the explanation on the left, they start to dance around each other. So the dancing effect, which cause these volatilities, and the price tries to adjust towards them, and this means that while this is happening, you can do some volatility games here, knowing the entry and exit points, so the resistance support lines mainly, and if you look for those, then actually these would be one of the strong support line is this one. Then another line that you can use for trading actually is kind of middle of volatility line in this one. And then speaking of resist lines, of course there is a very strong resist on these levels. This is like a super maximum resist and kind of a preliminary resist line, or that can be retested or rechecked as this one. So within these windows you can do your volatility game for this stock, and the closer is to line support line S2, the better is to buy, then it's S1 line. In general, short term is kind of bullish, so it's probably will be playing in these volatility lines, especially now that moving average 20 is below moving average 50. So after having the magic cross down and 13 of July, now we expect to have next magic cross up, which also should drive the price up. So some volatility actions are expected within these channels depicted here, but overall a stronger correction should take place soon, and this might happen as well for this one. And then if this is going to happen, the correction line will be at these levels, and more correctly speaking, it will be at the level actually at moving average 200. So this red curved line will work as a correction line. So whenever correction takes place, this will be the limit for correction. Having said that, it's still possible we go to resist line 1 to test it, because also if you look at the RSI levels, they are increasing slightly, so going to overbought position and dragging the price upwards. Therefore, the same for MACD index. You can see now after making negative wave, it's going to positive. So short term speaking, let's say for it's kind of going to make some action movement up, most probably piercing one resist and then just stacking between R1 and R2 line and R1 line, and then some correction might be observed with some volatility bouncing. So for now it's more like a bounce play, and until a major correction takes place towards moving average 200 here, it might be slight drift with some waving. We can't expect any huge movements for the moment for DraftKings, though very interesting for volatilities. So that was it for DKNG. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.